ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry. I'll never let go, never say goodbye. You know you can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, you can count on me 'cause I can count on you.
We Anytime you need a friend. Anytime you need a friend. Half the world is sleeping, half the world's awake, half can hear their hearts beat, half just hear them break. I am but a traveler, been most everywhere. Ask me what you want to know. What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight. But the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been. I have been to sorrow, I have been to bliss. Where I'll be tomorrow, I can only guess. Through the darkest desert, through the deepest snow, forward, always forward I go. What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight. But the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been. Forward, always forward. Onward, always up. Catching every drop of hope in my empty cup. What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight. But the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been. What a journey it been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do. Thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I've hoped for is thanks to you.
Message ko para sa although may mga pagkakataon na ako kung sumiko dahil sa sobrang ingay, buti ng mga boys sa akin ng pagkakataon. Hindi ko pa rin kayo pinakitaan ng pagkakataon na sinuklihan niyo ako ng hindi maganda pag-ugali o kasal. Siyempre natural na sa teacher yung sabihin mo, sabihin sa master. Pero isang bagay yung hinahangaan ko sa guideline sa kabila ng pagiging pag-uminsan. Yun yung lagi kayong handa, hindi lang dahil sa mga activities, hindi sa lahat ng mga challenges. Hindi ko alam kung pato sa ibang subject, pero lagi kayong handa na gumawa, delivers para sa kabubuti ninyo. Sa darating na pasukan, susunod na pasukan, good luck to all grade 9 aluminum. Sana huwag kayong magbabago. Lagi nyo isa sa isip yung mga paalaala, mga natutunan, mga pangarap ko sa inyo bilang teacher ko sa Kanilang. At sana magtuloy-tuloy ang success ninyo sa graduate ninyo ng 4th year sa magiging future. Yun lang. Good luck to all. I love you all, guys.
Love you din, sir.
Tapos na isang taon. Kailan tayo magkita? Sa senior high.
Gusto mo bukas?
Ang aluminum ay mature na. So, see you soon.
Yun lang. Wala na.
Ang pinakamaganda, ang pinaka-sexy, ang pinakamabait naming guro ng mga aluminum.
Okay na.
Ayan, nabulol na naman. Grabe naman, nasa spotlight naman ako. Grabe ang ilaw. Okay, hello aluminum. Merong 3 Diyosa na lumapit sa akin kanina para magbigay daw ng mensahe sa inyo. Wala naman na akong masabi kasi araw-araw na nakikita tayo, puro mensahe. Ano ba ang gusto nyong mensahe na hindi pa naririnig sa akin? Unang-una, ako kasi yung klase ng tao na ang lagi kong binibigay na advice sa mga students ko, lalo na kung kami maghihiwalay na, ay huwag kayo magpapakita sa akin na hindi pa kayo tapos sa pag-aaral. Kasi ayoko nung nakikita kayo na nagyayabang kayo na naka-school uniform kayo ng pang-college, hindi pa ako na-impress eh. Pakita na lang kayo kung malapit na kayong graduate. That means to say, focus muna kayo sa next chapter ng buhay ninyo na mas challenging kaysa sa buhay ninyo nung high school. Pero, sabi nga nila, mas masaya ang buhay ng high school kaysa sa buhay ng college. Doon sa mga paborito kong boys ng aluminum, pinangungunahan ni Jalil, si Cedric, tapos yung sila Joko, lalo na yung Ernest, ang pangalan, si Michael, syempre. Ayun, may konting gastos pagkasabi ko ng Michael. Ay, sana mag-improve pa yung ano ninyo, yung kagustuhan ninyo na maging totoong lalaki. Kasi in the future kayo ang magiging padre de pamilya. Sa mga girls naman, wala akong problema sa girls ng aluminum eh. Kasi ang girls ng aluminum, mababait naman. At saka, kahit na hindi ako nagpapatawa, tumatawa. Kaya talagang mas exciting ang buhay ko every time na aluminum period. Good luck sa inyo. And promise promise ko, the next time na magkita tayo, after na graduate na kayo ng junior high school, babalik kayo dito na sexy na talaga si Ma'am Siso. Hindi yung every time sasabihin yung sexy, nabibilaukan ko. No? This time, talagang ganyan na ang inyong sasabihin pag sinabing sexy. Bye! And see you around.
Thank you,
Good morning. Honestly, for 2 years, wala naman akong masasabi sa mga aluminum or even judges. Lahat naman kayo nakipag-cooperate. Marunong naman kayong sumunod. Kahit medyo matigas ang ulo sometimes. Pero more than that, mas marami naman tayong mas magandang pinagsamahan kesa sa hindi. Though maraming nagagalit, mas marami pa rin nakakaintindi why I am doing so or such things. Pero still, mamimiss ko rin kayo. Kasi nag-enjoy naman ako for 2 years with you. Gaya nga ng sabi ko, kahit medyo pasaway kayo sometimes. Tapos, yung tanong kung susundan ko kayo, probably.
Ay! Iba naman. Mami, forever na.
Para, mas masarap siguro 3 years. Diba? Or, pero kung magiging happy kayo na hindi ko kayo susundan, hindi ko na lang kayo susundan.
Papalayain mo kami.
Pero seriously, sana lang next year, mas maging responsible kayo. So, mas marami sa inyong responsible na. Sana mas maging responsible pa sila. Mas maging mababait pa sila. At lead better. Sa mga hindi naman, or sa mga pasaway, try to change. Try to be mature, more mature. Try to be a better student next year. Kasi kayo naman ang makikinabang nun. Good luck. I'll miss you.
See you next year.
I will be missing you and your company. And I hope that we will be together again next school year. Thank you.